Are you looking for the best framing hammer to add to your toolbox? A lot of framing hammers are available on the market, each boasting unique features designed to enhance performance, durability, and comfort. How do you choose the best one? In this video, we will help you find the best framing hammer that suits your style and requirements. Number 1. Spec Ops M22CF Framing Hammer. Need a hammer that offers both power and precision? The Spec Ops M22CF Framing Hammer is designed for professional-grade performance. With a sleek design and durable construction, it's perfect for any framing job. Key features: 25% lighter for a controlled swing, ballistically balanced for maximum striking power. Minute of angle grip reduces sting and improves accuracy. Compatible with SRS retention lanyards. Ideal for demo, nail removal, and splitting. Milled design for better angled nail drives. Number 2. ESTWING E316S Framing Hammer. The ESTWING E316S Framing Hammer is a classic choice trusted by professionals. Known for its one-piece solid steel construction, this hammer offers unmatched durability and strength. The ergonomic leather grip is designed to reduce shock and provide a comfortable hold, allowing for precise control and reduced hand fatigue. Key features: ideal for pulling nails, prying boards, and demolition. Trusted by framers, roofers, carpenters, and contractors. Made from a single piece of American steel for maximum durability. Reduces impact vibration by 70% for comfort. Proudly crafted in Rockford, Illinois, since 1923. Number 3. Vaughan and Bushnell CF2 HC Framing Hammer. The Vaughan and Bushnell CF2 HC Framing Hammer is designed with the professional carpenter in mind. Featuring a high-carbon steel head, this hammer provides exceptional strength and durability. The hickory handle offers a traditional feel and absorbs shock effectively, reducing strain on your hands and wrists. Key features: high-quality craftsmanship. Includes a magnetic nail holder for convenience. Grips nail heads to reduce slippage. Smooth design for efficient nail removal. Extra long hatchet style for strength and comfort. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN CM HT51398 Framing Hammer. For those seeking a versatile and dependable framing hammer, the CRAFTSMAN CM HT51398 Framing Hammer is a top choice. This hammer features a durable steel head with a smooth face, perfect for a variety of framing applications. The fiberglass handle provides excellent shock absorption and durability. Key features: overstrike protection in key areas to prevent breakage. Overmold grip for better control and comfort. Ideal for driving and pulling nails. Provides strength and reduces vibration. Easy to handle for extended use. Number 5. Fiskars 750241 Framing Hammer. The Fiskars 750241 Framing Hammer stands out with its innovative design and advanced features. This hammer boasts an ISO-core shock control system that significantly reduces vibration, providing a more comfortable user experience. The forged steel head is designed for superior durability and performance. If you are looking for a modern hammer that combines cutting-edge technology with reliable performance, the Fiskars 750241 is a fantastic option. Key features: ideal for big framing jobs and tough lumber. Grips nail heads to prevent slipping. Patented ISO-core system absorbs shock and vibration. Captures initial strike shock for added comfort. Ensures long-term reliability and peace of mind. Number 6. ESTWING MRW25LMM Framing Hammer. The ESTWING MLRW25LM framing hammer is another exceptional offering from ESTWING, known for its high-quality construction and reliability. This hammer features a laminated leather handle that not only looks great but also provides excellent shock absorption and comfort. Key features: engineered for maximum strength and durability, ideal for framing, demolition, and prying nails, ensures stability and improved striking power. Lightweight and comfortable for superior control, ESTWING has been crafting reliable striking tools since 1923. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.